NEAR could retreat 6.6% tomorrow, based on 30 rates projections. Let's start with what's unfolding on the chart today. At this point, NEAR has dropped 5.4% over the last day and is trading near $1.91. Let's move on to analysts' forecasts. According to 30 rates, the asset could reach $1.775 by June 7th, a loss of roughly 6.6% from today's price. CoinDataFlow expects NEAR could approach $1.87, an estimated move down of 1.6%. Traders Union points out it could drop to $1.89, roughly 0.5% below now. Another forecast by Digital Coin Price expects NEAR might lift to $2.001, a potential gain of 5.3%. Finally, Gov Capital Collector expects a move to $2.047 by June 7, a rise of 7.7%. This is the top return forecast we've reviewed. Those were 5 analyst views for tomorrow. Let's keep going. With expert views laid out, here's how they might translate. Based on the combined forecasts from all analysts, the price could range between a decrease of 6.6% and a gain of 7.7%, depending on the analyst. Put simply, Gov Capital Collector projects the highest return with 7.7% gain in value by tomorrow. By the look of it, you could earn between $5 and $77 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of probabilities, Traders Union's forecast stands above the rest, showing a 99.8% chance of success. Out of all the forecasts presented, I've shaped one single consensus overview. The average outlook positions NEAR at about $1.916. Let's walk through the details. The consensus view suggests a 0.9% gain in price by tomorrow. At that same percentage level, your capital could also experience growth. On a 1,000 position, that could potentially translate into about $9 in profit. Consensus figures indicate that the chance of this forecast being realized is about 99.8%. At this point in the video, let's uncover the 3-day scenarios analysts anticipate. 30 rates projects weaker prices ahead. Also, CoinDataFlow describes the near-term path as bearish. Traders Union emphasizes a bullish short-term scenario. The short-term signal from Digital Coin Price is also clearly bullish. Upside potential is additionally noted by Gov Capital Collector, who stays optimistic. The consensus view shows NEAR gaining ground during this 3-day period. Taken as a whole, most analysts present a positive outlook, keeping NEAR tilted toward growth. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts appeared online. Yesterday's move shows how close they came. As a result, yesterday's chart closed at $1.969. None of the 5 forecasts matched the market direction. The prediction that aligned most with the actual result was from CoinDataFlow. Let's look at the results more closely. Yesterday's candle excluded all 5 predictions. And about ROI, no analyst avoided losses this time. Here's the full overview. All forecasts verified and compared. The stats for CoinDataFlow show 96.3% forecast probability, $0.491 accuracy, and minus 15.7% ROI. Look through the data and see if your expectations match the results. Let's move on and check how tomorrow's predicted income compares for NEAR and other selected assets. The highest potential return goes to Render with 4.8%, while NEAR stays below the leader. In this section, NEAR is compared with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. A wider comparison can already be found on my website. Subscribe now so you're not the one hearing about the next big move too late. Catch you in the next forecast summary.